Mistakes were made, and now we gotta fix it. All right, so the first thing we have to do on this window, it was a screen door that had a screen and then a glass section. So what happened was the wind caught it and it blew and then it shattered the glass. So thankfully no one got hurt. We are going to take the glass out. I'm gonna put a piece of plexiglass in here. So the way we're gonna do that, I'm gonna take all this glass out, and then these plastic pieces right here, they're little stops. They're kind of a plastic rubbery type thing, and they come right out, just like that. And then they have this little edge. You can kind of see, let's see, not really well. So this part will go into a channel right against the frame, and that's how it keeps this glass in. So if you can find one that comes out the easiest, hopefully they didn't glue it in. Sometimes people glue this stuff in and it makes it a lot more difficult to get out. Yeah, there's some silicone on there. It was glued in. So the other thing that I'd recommend is I'd recommend some leather gloves when taking that glass out. Right now, I'm just trying to peel this stop up. It makes it a lot harder when glue or silicone or putty is used on it. And you don't want to break it if you can help it. If you break it, it makes the whole job harder. So then you have to try to find the correct pieces. This is not a newer window, this is an old one. So it'd be quite difficult to find the actual stop from a door that's probably close to 40 to 50 years old. Definitely not a young one. So we got all our stops out. Now I'm gonna put my gloves on and we're gonna pop that glass out and dispose of it properly. I'm not just gonna throw it in a garbage bag. Like I said, it makes it a lot harder when they glue this stuff in. You have these little tiny shards. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll come back and put the plexiglass in. Okay, so I got all the glass out and I have all of the pieces, the moldings or whatever, the stops, if we rather call them that. I got those out. So now I'm ready to put the plexiglass in here and then put these stops back in. Okay, so this is a sheet of plexiglass that I had cut down. They cut it down for me at the lumberyard, the exact size that I asked for. It usually comes with some plastic on it to protect it. I like to peel that off before I put it in there because I don't want to have to peel it off afterwards. You can do whatever you want. Like I said, they cut it for me at the lumberyard. Super nice to have them cut it exactly what I need it to be cut at. And it fits perfectly. And now I'm gonna take my stops and put them back in place. So the one thing I like to do is I like to take a flat bar or a flathead screwdriver to kind of just set these stops in the groove where they go. Take your flathead and you kind of work it down. If you have a flat bar, that works well too. And you just keep working it along. And there we go, folks. Instead of having to get a new door, we just put a piece of plexiglass in where our glass was, and now we're fixed. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and remember to work hard because hard work is its own reward, and don't be afraid to tackle projects like this because you can save a lot of money if you get that skill, learn how to do it, and then repeat that process in the future. Thanks for watching.